Today guys, I'm gonna be filming this beautiful Kenwood model KR-6030. It's a model KR-6030. Very beautiful receiver, Japan made, black and silver. Yeah, beautiful black and silver stereo guys. And the price of this in eBay is about $400-$500, and this is made in Japan. It's a very nice receiver. It has beautiful knobs, and the flickers, which is this very nice vintage looking Japan made. Very nice feelings here, as you can see. Very cool. And this is the top. I painted this black. I kind of fixed it because it was rusted already, and I painted it again, and it's not 100% flawless, but it's better than before. And now it's way better. And you can see the VO meters. Yeah, those two. And this thing guys lit up. Once I plug this and turn this on, it's gonna lit up and it's gonna looking nice. Yeah. And let's go turn this around and let's check it out the back. So this is the back of this Kenwood receiver. As you can see, this is a pre-owned receiver guys, and you can tell the way by the looks, but still it's in a good working condition. And let's check it over here. You can see made in Japan. So most of my stuff guys, I buy my stereos always made in Japan, and I am a fanatic of Japanese made. It's because stereos that made in Japan back in the days is just amazing. From Sansui, Marantz, Pioneer, Techniques, Sony, Kenwood, Panasonic, JVC, Lafayette, MCS, Fisher, a lot of brands made in Japan. And if you know the history about stereos back in the day, from the 60s and 70s, especially the receivers, Japan is just one amazing stereos guys. They don't build vintage stereos as of today. They don't do that anymore. They don't build stereos like from the 70s, and that is why I collect Japanese stereos. And I love the sound, the quality, the looks, the toughness lookings, the weight. And the other key guys, when you buy stereos, especially like receivers, always lift it up, the receiver, and feel the weight. The heavier the better, and the bigger capacitors and the transformers inside is the better. So that's another tip, having Japanese and buying receivers. So you can see here, phono, AUX, play, tape A, record, and this is the cable here, okay, and these are for the speakers, and this is about 60, yeah, it's right there, 60 ohms or hertz, AC 120 volts, AM FM stereo tuner with amplifier, yeah. The serial number is no longer there, but you can probably find it somewhere in the booklet or check it in the computer. Google it, check it. Probably it will tell or say the serial number, or maybe not. And this receiver, guys, has been really long time because everything's fading. I don't know how long this receiver, guys, but whoever owns this, I believe he bought it from the 70s because it's just old and dirty. And I cleaned it, and I will redo this again next time. And yeah, better than before. So let's go back the front. So we're in the front, guys. Once again, this is the KR-6030, and this is about $400 up to $500 in eBay. It's a very nice receiver, guys. As you can see, it has this beauty, vintage looking, pretty amazing. And it's heavy, guys. I lift this up, it's heavy. And I pulled this in my garage because I want to make a video, but still cold. I'm waiting until it gets warm, and I'm gonna plug it, and I'm gonna make another video when it lifts up. And I'm gonna take that this Marantz, yeah, pull this out and put that over there, and we're gonna make a video. I'm gonna listen to the sound of this. I'm gonna make another video with my turntable and my speakers, yeah, and I want to listen to the sound of this. It's been a while. It's been sitting in the garage. I do have more stereos. I have a lot of stereos, a lot of receivers in my garage, and it's just sitting there. And maybe one day I will decide to sell some of those stereos, probably this summer. I can't hold it too many. Some of them are smaller. I have Pioneer 480, 680, and they're just kind of small, but I want to get rid of it. I want to sell it and make some money out of it, and keep maybe I don't know, maybe 10. You know, I do have more than 20 now. Some of my other receivers, I sold it. Some of the old ones, I took it, put it in my car, take it to the flea market and dumped it. I put it on the tables early morning, and I put a sign for free, yeah. So people grabbed it, not even yeah, just the weekend, Saturday and Sunday, everybody grabbed those stereos. And some of them, I saw it on the table that Sunday. They were selling it, and I kind of laughed because I said, that belongs to me. But they are just old stereos, and I don't want it anymore. And nobody's gonna buy that for not even, I don't know, not even $40, or maybe they'll buy it for 20, I don't know, but maybe 10. They're just old models, and people nowadays, they look for something like this, silver and black, brown and silver, like the Morans. That's what they're looking for. And even this one here, they like the black one. Yeah, they like that stuff. That's vintage, hard to find nowadays. Even in eBay, they don't sell this Morans anymore from Super Scope. So you don't see that much anymore. Even this one here, in the flea market, you won't see this Pioneer right here. Yeah, you'll never see that. Never seen this over there. And I have my equalizer here, so I keep them, and you know, just collect and enjoy the sound of this. Yeah, it has a very nice sound, this Pioneer. Yeah. And over here, guys, I have my JVC. This is my JVC. Let me pull this cover out. Very nice looking piece. This is about $500 in eBay. I saw this model QL-85. Very nice turntable, and I bought it for a good price. It's a good score. Yeah, very happy with that. So there it is, guys, another video here from my collections, my stereos. And today I'm filming this Kenwood AM/FM stereo receiver model KR-6030. So guys, another video here, just sharing with you guys. And yep, hits the subscribers and hit all, and you will get a notification every time I upload a new video, and it will go straight to your YouTube channel. So thank you for that, guys, for doing that for me, and I will see you guys in the next video. So for now, say ciao ciao.